Assalamu alaikum, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can get unlimited Perplexity Pro for 1 month again and again, unlimited times for free, and it's 100% authentic and valid method. Okay, so before getting started you need to join our WhatsApp channel where I give the updates on the daily basis. Okay, so just open the site, you will find the channel link in the description. Okay, just join that. Okay, so let's get started. So this method is very short so let's get started. Simply just open the students.com. Okay, you'll find the link, the side link in the description. Okay, just log in this uh, site. Okay, and you will find this pop-up here: take your AI superpowers next level, book now, get up to 6 month Perplexity Pro for free. Okay, so I have already account in this one. So what I need to do, I need to do log out from this one. Simply delete this one, cut this one, and let me log out. Okay, I just log out. Click on this login or sign up. Okay, now what you need to do, just use anytime mail. I'm going with anytime mail. Put your password, put your name. Okay, and just click on this one. Don't click on this one. You don't need to click on this one. Okay, don't check this one, just check this one. Okay, click on the sign up. Now just enter the circled variables here, like v, a, w, and 2. That's it, I think. Click on the submit and done. Okay, click on the save. You have in. Now click on the account settings, open the inbox of your email that you just use. Okay, so we have this one, we need to verify and then go on. So how to get the Perplexity Pro for free? So let's see. Click on this welcome to students.com. Now you will find this verification email here, and here, boom, you have 1 month free Perplexity Pro code. Okay, this is a pro version code. You just copy this, or you can click on this one. I have already account in my this account, sorry, Perplexity. Just let me show you. So I have already account on this account, Perplexity Pro on this account. So first of all, I will log out from this account and then go with the new account. So let me log out, click on the confirm. Done, we have logouts. Click on the claim now. When you click on the claim now, so you will redirect to this site. You can go with your own temp mail that you have just used, or you can go with any account. Okay, now enter your password here. So a password, a OTP just received on my email inbox. Okay, so just wait for this one. Click on this first email, just open this and just copy the password from this email and just paste, cut this one, paste it here, and here's the redeem link, as you can see. So yes, Perplexity Pro is done on our account. I just created this new account in front of you. I just use a temp email, and now boom, you have Perplexity Pro. As you can see, this is the same email that I just used this. Okay, this email and this temp email is perfectly matching. Okay, so let me show you the manage plan. Click on the manage plan and let me show you how what's the subscription that we just redeemed now. So this is Perplexity for the 1 month. Today is the November, sorry, October 11. As you can see, it's October 12 and it's valid until November 11. So it's mean 29 days. So it's a better thing for us. Okay, you can sell it, you can use it by yourself. You can just, it's depend on you. Okay, so I think method is complete. So we will talk in We will meet in next video. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.